Hey, what is up guys, welcome to the channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up the automation commenter replier in your Instagram reel. So without wasting any time, let's just start with the video. So this is our reel that we're going to use in order to use our automation tool. Okay, this is our automation tool and this is the dashboard first of all here, and we have to connect our Instagram. But before we do that, let me show you the starting process, that how we can do the sign up. So this is the link that you will find in the description below, and this tool is basically completely free, so you don't have to pay anything. And when you came on this landing page, from here you have to click here on the start for free. Now we have to wait for some seconds here. This page is basically loading, and in order to sign up on this tool, we have to enter the three details, that is your name, your phone number and your email address. And after that, after entering all these three details, you are basically eligible for the sign up. And after you click on this button, that is basically called start for free, and you will redirect to this dashboard. From here we have to connect our Instagram first, so let's click on this. Okay, now it's asking us for our permission. Now just simply allow this. Okay, now our Instagram is basically connected and it's showing that we have zero automation that we haven't set up basically. So let's just click on the continue. Now just click here on the auto DM. Now it will show you some of your reels that is already uploaded on your Instagram page. So we're going to set up automation on this for our comments. So let us click here on the setup automation. Now we have to set up the automation for a specific word. Basically, whenever a user types some kind of specific word in our comment section, the automation tool is basically activate. So the keyword will be deadlift, because we are showing a deadlift in that. Just press on the enter button and it will basically added the deadlift. Okay, now we have to click here on the next button, and now we have to scroll down. Okay, now we have to set up our add button, and here we have to add our link. Let me just copy this one and we have to enter here. You can just change the text as well, or if you want someone to follow you before they asking for the link, before accessing the link, so you have to upgrade there. And their upgrade plan is basically cheaper for the first month. It's called about like $1 if you're gonna purchase this, so you can try it out. Okay, we have set up the link as well. All we have to just click here on the next button and click here on the launch. So it will also showing you the step when someone users comment on the specific post, like that's include deadlift, and it will, after clicking on the button, it will send you a primary DM. That is basically this DM. You can also change the text of this text message, and whenever user click here on the click me, it will automatically redirect to this document. And just click on the confirmation and launch. And now our first the Instagram reel comment sections, the replier is set up. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful, and if you find this video helpful, you can do consider to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.